What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we got two driveways we're doing. It's getting a little hot, getting a little soft. Alright, enthusiast road. Woo! Hit the like button, subscribe, share, whatever you can do, appreciate it. Woo! But I'm on the skid steer real quick. Ooh, muddy mess. Pretty cool, got a foot going right there. Get all this cleaned up. Got water out of here.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today, obviously you can see we're just in this driveway right now. We're just trying to get all this water shut away from this hole over here. And in this video, you're going to see us reshaping the shape of this driveway, because right now it's all sloped going the wrong way, so all the water flows and gets stuck to this low spot. So we're going to slope out in front of that, and then we're going to fill all that in to make it higher, so it's all sloped towards that pond over there. And yeah, we'll get to the video and start shaping the driveway, then catch back soon. Don't forget to check out our new merch. Work harder. You'll see it down below in the merch store. Check it out if you like it. Give it a whirl. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to watch the end if you're interested on how to bid these driveways. There's a part in the video where we slow down the skid steer and kind of give an explanation on like the process we use to bid these driveways and how much material we add and just kind of the formulation of how to bid it. And pretty much this video explains on how to do these driveways and be profitable.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?
So yeah, on this project we're using crushed asphalt is going to be our culprit on this one. And yeah, the homeowner, they kind of didn't understand why they had water issues and kind of explained to him, sloped it, and you can see how we're kind of just sloping everything uphill so that way it'll all run downhill obviously into the water. And we ended up finding a bunch of big river rock they used as base a long time ago, so that worked out pretty well. We used a bunch of that to fill in that mud hole, and shortly here we'll be topping out some crushed asphalt and making a move. We did this driveway, it took us about 5 hours, and I think we hauled in like 50 tons or something we ended up using on this. So yeah, let's get back to the video.
Load after load. Get this sucker dumped. Yeah. Dumper boy. Whoa, sounds a little heavy there. Running about 10 tons. I think there's actually probably 11 in there. Okay, we run it. 1-ton pickup trucks for days. Look at, I got one of these little fruit squirters. Quit smoking cigarettes. Tough. PJ. Shout out PJ. Dude, look at this thing. That's a load. That's a load all the way to the front of the trailer. And it's doing it. Like, there's 11 tons in this trailer. How many dump trailers out there are going to still dump that? Everybody has a problem with these scissor lifts. Well, I honestly, this trailer, go. Let's go. Shout out PJ.
That's one of the most important things to realize is when you're doing these driveways, like, if you're just capping it or just putting like a top coat on it, like, the biggest thing for any driveway sustainability is having a solid base. Once you got a good base, I mean, sky's the limit on everything else. Like, most of these driveways, like, there's a lot of sand or mud or clay, and once you get that base established, then everything else is good and the material should last, I mean, 5 to 10 years easily. You might have to regrade it depending on who your plow guy is. We see that a lot where these people hire plow companies and the guys will come in, just drop their blade, let her eat, and then at the end of the season they got huge piles of material in their yard and stuff. So it's one thing to keep in mind is be selective on who they're hiring to plow and stuff like that, because it jeopardize the driveway and create holes and stuff like that. Once you sell it to them and they like understand, like, there's no mud with it, there's no dust, like, you don't have all that nastiness, like, it's so much easier. Yeah, so like what I do is like I make these, I'll give you guys a little. So what I do when I make these, I go out to the measurement wheel, I measure how long it is, and then I just measure how wide it is. Then I have an app. And I punch those measurements and how thick I want. Usually, like, I quote them 3 to 4 inches thick. And then in the app, it literally tells you how many tons you get. So you know your supplier. So say you pay $20 a ton, like I would charge $50 a ton for the delivery. And then you sell your labor too. Like, it's easier. Don't forget to check out a bunch of our other videos if there's anything excavation related, land clearing, landscaping, retaining walls. Anything along those lines. We have a ton of videos in our playlists, and if you just scroll through our videos, there's a ton of videos on how to start an excavation company, how to start like land clearing company, all that stuff. We got a ton of information, ton of videos. Don't forget to check it out. We're also next week we'll be launching our new podcast I'm doing with a buddy, Bugs Dirt World. Don't forget to check out their channel. Our new podcast will be called Dirt Life, and hopefully next week we'll be launching our first episode. We'll leave the link for that down below once we get it launched. Hopefully see you guys over there.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.